Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could actually upgrade your walls and whatever it is in your village faster than you usually do. So for example, let's pick walls as an example for us to start explaining this tutorial. Let's say that you have about 100 wall and you will keep upgrading them one by one by clicking on upgrade. It will literally take forever to do so. What you could do is basically you can just stack them in one side or whatever, like make a long road. Let's do it for example in here, edit layout, and let's do it like so, and just like that we can add the row like so. Now just do it like that, and it looks good now. Okay, it looks perfect for us. So let's say that you have wall level 1 and you wanted to upgrade them all to level 2. What you could do basically, you could just put them in a row like that and then select all the row. Let's just cancel and get back to our main page. Okay, from here you can see the walls here. I've stacked some of them just for the sake of this tutorial. So you can just click on this, select all the row, and then you can upgrade it to level max. Because I'm already in the level max, you can't see really the upgrade option, which will look something like that. But because I'm already in the level max, I can't really upgrade them anymore. Let's check the other village. I think I could upgrade some of them. Okay, let's see something here. Okay, like so. You can just choose them and click on upgrade and they will be all upgraded. So yeah guys, that was it with this tutorial. If you liked, please leave a like and thank you for watching.